Hello, welcome back to Ben Sushi Live Learning. In this episode, I'm gonna show you a couple of Node 3 that kind of give you an interesting topology of the mesh. So this is the first one. Basically, I started with just with this box, and I can still make changes um, just by chaining a couple of things. Like in this case, triangulate and bevel with vertex only turn on. You can get a lot of interesting topology. Like this is actually very similar to the dual mesh operations from the tissue add-on. And yeah, this is like some of them that some of my favorite. There's this one, for example, will give you that with vertex on. And then the second one, I'm actually using the same source. I'm chaining this triangulate, bevel, and then there's a remove double, or did I just turn off the vertices here? I think I just turned off the vertex. Similar to before, but you can see the difference there. The second one actually have this line, and if you turn off the, where is it? Segment. Actually, segment can give you more details along that line. Okay, this one gives you like this kind of flowering thing, but that's actually for the other one down there. So triangulate, bevel, randomize with smooth vertices give you this flowering kind of pattern. This also can be interesting. Can randomize it a little bit. Segment less or more. So this segment is better, I think. And there's also another one, triangular bevel. And this guy, I found it interesting because of the it actually doesn't fill that area. That's because I'm using a different setup here, fixed or shortest diagonal. Well, anyway, you got this one. Oh, that's because I'm using this new poly instead of plugging this guy. New poly give you the whole, so that's interesting. And one more thing, similar thing, triangulate, subdivide, bevel, and chaining all this, and you get this number of cut, more detail, smooth, or smooth and fractal. Okay, this guy, this subdivide is interesting. It's not like normal subdivisions. This is a slightly different, but you can get very interesting result. Fixed alternate or beauty. So yeah, the topology is very equally spaced at this moment, but you can use other objects, of course. Let's try Suzanne. Objects in, and simply plug in the dots. Should give you a result. Let's triangulate, or maybe that's need the edges. Oh, actually, select Suzanne. Okay, get selection and update it. This one refuses. Oh, maybe I'll delete that one. So that's the result. So 1, and then 2, the flower. I like the flowery one, and a couple more. So everything just work. So I actually like this one right here. It's not getting from this guy. Let's pipe this into that guy up there. Yeah, I like this one. Actually, very interesting pattern. So yeah, that's a quick look at this 4 or 5 different way to kind of read topology and objects. It's almost like a modifier actually, but we are doing it using nodes, and probably this is something that you like to do at some point. So yeah, hopefully you find this one useful. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.